How to change the English dub on Crunchyroll. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to watch the English dub audio on Crunchyroll, here is an option by which you can change the audio option or language. For that, go to your application or website and log in with your credentials. Now load the video that you want to watch in English dub on Crunchyroll. Then after click on the gear icon located in the video player section. From there, you can select the audio option and choose the dub language of your preference, which is English in our case. Once this is done, your audio language would be changed. Likewise, another option to see for the English dubbed is via the filtered option. Click on the filter or the click on the filter icon, which is present as three horizontal lines. Tapping on it will give you a list of options. Select on dubbed. This way you can see all of only those contents which are English dubbed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.